Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Modern and simple small bathroom ideas have gained popularity in recent years. With a focus on clean lines and minimalist design principles, a neutral color palette, including white, grays, or soft pastels, is often chosen to create a sense of openness and airiness. Large mirrors are a key element to reflect light and make the space appear larger than its often in frameless or sleek designs. Floating vanities and open shelving are favored to maximize floor space and maintain a modern aesthetic. Frameless glass shower enclosures, when space allows, contribute to the open feel of the bathroom. Simply fixtures in matte black or brushed nickel finish add a contemporary touch. Wall-mounted toilets or compact corner toilets are preferred to save space. Smart lighting with layered options like wall sconces with pendant lights ensures a well-lit and inviting atmosphere. Large format tiles reduce grout lines with a consistent the pattern throughout the bathroom creates cohesiveness. Minimalist accessories and a functional layout with careful consideration for space utilization are essential to add warmth and a touch of nature. Some homeowners incorporate plants and neutral elements such as wooden assets or stone features. These elements collectively transform a small bathroom into a stylish and practical retreat, emphasizing simplicity and modernity in design. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.